So today I'm going to show you the new mobile experience for Synapse Go collaboration features. Right now you can see that we have full screen mode enabled. So on that side of the screen we have our meeting list with our QR code and pairing code for laptop. And then on this side we have all of our applications that are pre-selected by IT for easy access for users when they walk into the conference room. So I want to start my meeting today using the QR code. So if I go into the camera on my phone, I just go ahead, scan that QR code, and it knows that I have a meeting within 10 minutes of this time. So it's going to go ahead and auto start that meeting for me. It reads the meeting invite knowing that I have a Teams meeting, but this also works with Zoom, GoToConnect, and Google Meet. We will be automatically connected with our remote audience with camera and video. And once that starts, now we can see our remote audience. And now everything that we want to do during this meeting, we can control right from our phone. So on my phone, you see I have the meeting timer. If I want to add on more time, I have the ability to do that there as well. Under that, I had shared a meeting attachment with my meeting invite. If I want to go ahead and access that, I could go ahead, click that, and it'll bring it onto the display for us. Under there, we have trackpad, which gives us mouse-like control of the display. So if a dialog box pops up, we have control to go ahead, close that out. If there's not a mouse in the room or this isn't a touch panel, it comes in really handy. We have the access to launch pen software. Once I click that pen software button, it's going to go ahead, launch it on the display, and then we can go ahead and use it like normal. Under those, we have the Teams controls. So I'm able to share my screen, I can turn the camera and microphone on and off, and I could also adjust the volume. So I want to go ahead and share my screen. So as you can see, it's sharing, and now I want to go ahead and share a document. So the document that I shared in my meeting invite, I actually don't want to use. I want to use a cloud file. So if I go to that Files tab at the top, I could select which file that I want to use, and it's going to go ahead and download it right onto the display for me. Now, since this is a touch panel, if we do make any changes to this document, it's going to go ahead and be re-uploaded to the cloud for me. If I use that meeting attachment, it's going to go ahead and email those changes to me at the end. So from here, you could see my phone screen changed into the remote control. I can go through the slides. I could put us in presentation mode. And then once we're done with our changes and discussing, we could go ahead and end that meeting. So if I go back to the Meet tab, all I have to do is press the End button, and it's going to go ahead, close out my document. It ends the Teams meeting for us, and it brings us right back to full screen mode. If Reset Room is configured, it will go ahead and wipe out that file so it's not saved onto the PC, and it'll be like we were never there. And those are the new features for Synapse Go Collaboration.